Gracing the runway with unparalleled grace and sophistication, Bollywood star Kriti Sanon captivates in an exquisite creation by the renowned designer Manish Malhotra. She is the epitome of modern Indian glamour, embodying the essence of his latest couture offering. Kriti is seen in a breathtaking ensemble, a masterful blend of traditional elegance and contemporary style. The outfit features a stunning ivory or white base, intricately adorned with cascades of delicate pearls that shimmer with every movement. A heavily embellished bustier forms the focal point of the upper silhouette, paired with a flowing pearl-draped skirt or palazzo pants. Adding a touch of ethereal charm is a sheer, fluid dupatta or cape, gracefully draped over her shoulders, creating an almost angelic aura. Her look is further elevated by magnificent emerald jewelry, striking drop earrings, statement rings, and a coordinating bracelet, providing a vibrant contrast to the pristine white and pearl-laden attire. This creation is a testament to Manish Malhotra's signature style, known for its opulent detailing, luxurious fabrics, and impeccable craftsmanship, often seen in his bridal and festive collections. While the exact cost of such a bespoke couture piece remains exclusive, Manish Malhotra's designs are synonymous with high fashion and luxury, typically ranging from several lakhs to over 1 crore Indian rupees, reflecting the intensive handwork, premium materials, and the designer's iconic vision. This collection celebrates grandeur and artistry, reaffirming Manish Malhotra's status as a powerhouse in Indian fashion.